For the fastest and most reliable software update downloads on your Tesla, use Wi-Fi instead of cellular data. Tesla recommends connecting to a stable Wi-Fi network with at least 25 Mbps at download speed to prevent any interruptions during the download process. To connect, navigate to the Controls menu on your Tesla's touchscreen, then select Wi-Fi. This ensures your vehicle establishes a strong connection for optimal download performance. A strong, stable Wi-Fi connection allows updates to download smoothly and quickly. While cellular data can be used as an alternative, Wi-Fi is always preferred for the best experience. Once your Tesla is connected to Wi-Fi, the software update will begin downloading automatically in the background while your vehicle is parked. Tesla recommends using a stable Wi-Fi network with at least 25 Mbps download speed for optimal performance. You'll receive notifications on both your vehicle's touchscreen and the Tesla mobile app when an update is available. To monitor the download progress, navigate to Controls, then Software on the touchscreen. Updates typically range from 1 to 10 gigabytes in size. The download occurs in the background, and you can watch the progress bar fill up as the files transfer. This process may take some time, depending on your connection speed and the update size. Installation usually occurs overnight or when your vehicle is idle and charged above 50%. The car must be stationary and will be inoperable during the 30 to 90-minute installation process, which involves a reboot. You'll be notified when the installation is complete. Tesla advises against driving during this critical phase for safety reasons. If the download fails, try resetting your network settings. For installation stalls, force restart the system by holding the power button for 15 seconds. If you encounter an update failed error, contact Tesla support or use the Tesla app for diagnostics. Check router compatibility by switching to a 5 GHz network. These fixes may resolve your issues. Installation errors can sometimes occur. Ensure your car is stationary, fully charged, and connected to a stable network. Restarting the car or retrying the installation from the touchscreen can often resolve the problem. If issues persist, contact Tesla support. Tesla reports that 99.5% of updates install successfully. The Tesla app is crucial for managing software updates. It provides a comprehensive interface to monitor your vehicle's update process from your smartphone. Use the app to check the current update status, view available updates, and receive notifications when new software is ready to download or install. You can schedule installations to occur at convenient times, ensuring your vehicle is ready when you need it. The app includes diagnostic tools to help identify issues and contact Tesla support for troubleshooting assistance. If you encounter connectivity issues, create a mobile hotspot on your phone to complete the update process. Looking ahead, Tesla updates are evolving rapidly. They are becoming more frequent and AI-driven, incorporating predictive features that anticipate user needs based on collective vehicle data. Experts in the automotive industry predict a 30% increase in update frequency by 2026. These updates will prioritize cybersecurity enhancements to protect against rising threats to connected vehicles. Tesla CEO Elon Musk has emphasized that updates are the lifeblood of Tesla's innovation. Full self-driving improvements rely heavily on collective data from millions of vehicles. Staying updated is crucial for Tesla owners. It ensures optimal vehicle performance, provides access to the latest features, and enhances security through ongoing improvements. By keeping your Tesla regularly updated, you ensure it remains at the forefront of automotive innovation, with improved safety, performance, and features that evolve with technology.